90% of investors use complex charts, hot stocks, or crypto and fail miserably. But not you. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll share the $5 a day strategy that beats 90% of investors. It takes just 5 minutes to set up. With the $5 a day strategy, you invest this amount every single day. There's no need to think, which means no market analysis or emotional decisions. Let's talk real numbers. If you start when you're 20, this strategy of investing just $5 a day results in over $2 million by the time you retire. So what do you actually do? You set up automatic investment, so $5 goes into shares every single day, whether the market's up, down, or sideways. When prices drop, your $5 buys more shares. When prices rise, your $5 buys fewer shares. So over time, you automatically buy more shares at lower prices and fewer shares at higher prices, which reduces your average cost per share. The psychological advantage is huge. When the market crashes and your coworkers are panicking, you're secretly happy because your daily $5 is buying shares on sale. When the market soars and everyone's bragging about their gains, you're still buying shares, just fewer of them. You completely take the emotion out of investing. Yes, this strategy, called dollar cost averaging, is boring, but that's exactly why it works. Here's how to actually implement this strategy. Step 1. Choose a low-cost brokerage. Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard all offer zero-fee trades, low-cost index funds, and fractional shares. Step 2. Set up automatic daily transfers from your checking account to your investment account. If you want, you can set up weekly or monthly transfers instead. Step 3. Select a broad market index fund with a low expense ratio. For example, VTI tracks the entire US stock market, and SPY tracks the S&P 500. Both are excellent choices that give you instant diversification across hundreds of companies. Step 4. Enable automatic investing. This means your daily $5 automatically buys shares of your chosen fund. Step 5. Adopt the set it and forget it mindset. Check your account once per year at the most, and resist the urge to adjust investments based on where the market is. The more you mess with it, the worse your returns will be. As your income grows, you can increase your daily investment amount. Lifestyle inflation usually makes us spend more on useless stuff anyway. Redirect that money to your future wealth instead. Even with auto-investing set up, 4 costly errors are sabotaging your growth. Watch this video to fix them before you invest another dollar.